Hey guys, Disney Collector here with this supercharged Dinoco helicopter.
Oh, I'm flying!
Very cool. It comes with 1 meter. Let's take a look at this box. On the side, it shows you other cars that you can also get from this collection. And in the back, it tells you that you can also carry other cars and the chopper has helicopter sounds. So let's check it out. So first, let's take this helicopter out of the try me mode and put him on the play mode. Let's see if he has other phrases.
Oh, I'm flying! I'm happier than a tornado in a trailer park! Oh, I'm flying!
So this Dinoco chopper only has 2 meter phrases and helicopter sounds. Nothing else. The eyes are stickers. Everything you see here are stickers. He does have working wheels. So he's a push chopper. To get chopper sounds and see the blades moving, just pull this button. And this door right here opens up, so we can put more cars in the front of the chopper and right here. This is where Mater goes in and out. So let's see if we can put a die cast in there. Let's try Lightning McQueen. Well, we can put 1 die cast in there. Maybe Luigi? Yes, we can put Luigi and Lightning McQueen. These are die casts. Let's see if we can close the door with Guido in there. And yes, we can do that. We can put 3 die casts inside this Dinoco chopper. But remember, they are small die casts. This Mater right here that comes with the chopper is a plastic Mater. He does not talk. The sounds comes from the chopper. Even Mater's phrases. So let's compare this Mater with a die cast. You can see that he's much smaller. So, can we fit a die cast inside? Let's try.
Oh, I'm flying!
No, a die cast does not fit inside. If you want to try other die casts, let's say Sally. She fits inside, but then she pops out when you open the door. Let's try again. She fits inside, no problem.
Oh, I'm flying!
But then she gets thrown out. Let's try some other die casts and see if they fit inside. Well, we can fit Max Chanel in here. I think the lemons will fit perfectly here. So let's put a Sally. She fits just as good. Now let's try our Carla Veloso. And she fits in there, in the front of the chopper. We can even place a Francesco Bernoulli in there. That's pretty cool. This chopper with Mater inside is from the end of the first Cars movie. You remember when Mater went for a ride in this big Dinoco chopper and he was singing the song for McQueen and Sally. McQueen and Sally kissing in the tree. Kissing. This helicopter is actually an old release from the movie Cars, and I just found it at Craigslist in excellent condition. The sound works perfectly, all the phrases are working, and it doesn't have any scratches at all. It looks brand new. I'm so happy with this find.